All right, so Nike paid $10 million for this. I'm going to give it to you for free. I spent my whole life in Silicon Valley selling software crap to like 5,000 companies on this planet full of idiots. But I want to make this video to give you guys $10 million worth of dark marketing secrets of Nike, because this is what Nike does, right? Nike pays consultants insane amounts of money. They buy software that does what is called A/B testing. So what's A/B testing? A/B testing is we're going to run an ad with an orange shirt and then an ad with a white shirt, and we're going to see which title works better, and then we invest all the money into which ad works best, right? So they spend millions on this in order to sell the most amount of crap possible and make billions. Okay? The only thing you need to do, because this is on a platter for you. This is on a platter. You know what a platter is? A platter is when everything's done for you already. Like, you don't have to do anything to get all of this for free. All of this for free that I'm going to tell you exactly right now. Go to their website. Like, how easy is it to understand? All you have to do to be successful in business is go to a successful business's website and look at exactly what they are doing. Like, the Nike website already spent millions of dollars. So if you're somebody that wants to make shoes, if you want to sell sweatshirts, just go and do exactly what they did. Sign up for their emails, look at their emails. They've done thousands and thousands of dollars of testing for what email campaigns work the best, for what titles work the best, right? So any sort of business, if you wanted to sell cookies, you should go on Insomnia Cookies website and do exactly what they did. Like, if you really look at any business on earth, they're all the same. They're just 10% different. Look at the X6 BMW. Look at the Mercedes GLE Coupe. It's the same car with a different logo. So $10 million of, and I'm sweating my ass off because it's hot as shit here. And this is the aisles in Fort Lauderdale. The first thing I've always done in my life, ever, is to go to the competitors or the product or the business website and look at exactly what they're doing and do exactly the same thing. It's on a platter for you. Literally, make a sweatshirt. Find a super successful sweatshirt company. Go on their website and make exactly the same thing. It's so simple. I did the exact same thing with my peanut butter company. Exact same thing. I have a different logo. Wow, did I invent peanut butter? No, nobody invented anything. While people are running around trying to find all these like secrets, courses. I have a course, but mine is Shark Tank stuff. How I started my peanut butter company. It's not buy a private jet with your own social media marketing agency while people scam the living shit out of you. It's not Alex Hormozy's school pyramid scheme where you pay him. Let's play a game, guys, by Alex Hormozy. The game is called this. You sign up for school, $100 a month. I'm going to get rich. And then you're going to do all the marketing for free for me. What does that business do? You don't have to do anything fancy. Like, if you're stuck and you don't know what to do in life, it's so simple. Watch my other videos where I stand and I teach in front of a board like a school teacher, but I talk about cash. Watch my other videos or watch anything about business, but I would just tell you this. You can watch all the videos you want. Pick something that you like. I want to make sweatshirts. Amazing. I want to make cookies. Amazing. Find the best, make it a little bit different. And go to their website. Every business, and I'll stop repeating myself, but it's like shooting free throws. The best players in the world shoot free throws every single day for a reason. It's not because they already know how to shoot a free throw. There's a science behind it. It's called neuroplasticity. It's a different video that I'm sending out next. Right? Just copy a business and go to their website and get millions and millions of dollars of wasted money they spent. You get it for free because you can analyze their website, you can analyze their ads, you can analyze their promotions, their emails, and everything. That's all you have to do. You don't need a course, you don't need consultants, you don't need anything, you don't need ideas. I didn't ask anybody what they thought of my peanut butter. It's already proven that it sells like crazy. That's like asking somebody, do you think if I sell bread, it's gonna work? Yeah. I mean, the dumbest questions. Hey, what do you think about starting a t-shirt company? I think if you can't sell t-shirts, you are the problem, not the t-shirt. T-shirts sell by the billions yearly, by the billions. And you're asking me if selling t-shirts works? It's all marketing. Pick something, copy it, make it different, and market the living shit out of it. Watch my other videos. Subscribe or don't. I'm just trying to give you some valuable information because I know a lot of people can get stuck with so many damn videos and yachts and private jets. Everybody's rich except you. Everybody's rich except you. Don't worry about it. Start slow. Start small. Pick something. Start making your product. Whatever. Content. Whatever you want. Start slow. Don't worry about it. Okay? 90% of people that are filthy rich are fucking scammers. Okay? 90% that are filthy rich are fucking scammers. So don't worry about it. All right? See you guys in the next video.